I'm Chanel Beck, and I'm here to answer all your questions about the Mermade styling range. So we should be treating our hair with a mask at least once a week if we're shampooing 2 to 3 times a week. You know, someone like me who shampoos once a week, I'd probably do a mask every second week. How I would use a hair mask would be to do your one shampoo, towel dry your hair. You don't want your hair to be full of water because, as you know, if the hair is full of water, it's not going to allow any product into the hair either. So towel dry that hair out. Apply your mask mid-lengths to ends. I do like to go a little bit higher around the face as well because I find that's where I'm most likely going to be touching up the hair, and you might find you've got a bit more heat damage around there. What I'm finding is a lot of girls are steering away from masks because they don't essentially have the time to leave it on, which is why our mask is so high performing and so fast. You can actually pop the mask on in the morning, just dampen the hair down, tie your hair up in a little bun and rinse it out later off. The mask is high performing. It only needs that 1 minute to really start activating, but we can leave it on for up to 10 to 20 minutes, even half an hour would do amazing. The mask is essential in a healthy routine. However, we don't want to be replacing our conditioner with our mask. If we are going to be doing that, I find the hair is going to be quite limp and lifeless over time because it is overhydrated. There's nothing wrong with it, but you might feel your hair is overhydrated. So the conditioner is there to balance out the pH level and leave your hair feeling really light as well. We hope you love your healthier, happier strands with our Mermade styling system.